Welcome to GardenWrld. If you're living in a small urban space but dream of having a lush garden, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of vertical gardening, an innovative way to maximize your green space without compromising on style or functionality. Let's get started. Let's start with the benefits of vertical gardening. It's more than just a space-saving solution. Vertical gardening can. Firstly, it maximizes space. This is ideal for urban dwellers with limited outdoor areas. Imagine transforming that small balcony or patio into a lush green oasis without taking up valuable floor space. Secondly, vertical gardening improves air quality. Plants act as natural air filters, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. By adding greenery to your living space, you can enjoy cleaner, fresher air. Thirdly, it reduces urban heat. Vegetation has a cooling effect, helping to lower temperatures in urban environments. This can be particularly beneficial during hot summer months, providing a cool, shaded retreat. Fourthly, vertical gardens enhance aesthetics. They add beauty and greenery to otherwise bare walls and spaces. A well-designed vertical garden can be a stunning focal point, bringing a touch of nature to your urban home. Lastly, vertical gardens increase privacy. They can act as natural screens, giving you a sense of seclusion and peace in your outdoor space. This is especially useful in densely populated areas where privacy can be a luxury. Choosing the right plants is crucial for the success of your vertical garden. Consider these factors. Light requirements. Select plants based on the amount of sunlight your space receives. For example, if your balcony gets a lot of sun, opt for sun-loving plants like tomatoes or petunias. Conversely, if you have a shaded area, choose plants that thrive in low light, such as ferns or pothos. Growth habit. Opt for compact, trailing, or climbing plants. Compact plants like herbs are perfect for small spaces. Trailing plants, such as nasturtiums, can cascade down, creating a beautiful waterfall effect. Climbing plants like cucumbers or ivy can be trained to grow upwards, making the most of vertical space. Maintenance. If you have a busy lifestyle, go for low-maintenance plants. Succulents, for example, require minimal watering and care, making them ideal for vertical gardens. Here are some ideal plants for vertical gardens. Herbs, basil, parsley, thyme, and mint are not only easy to grow, but also useful in the kitchen. Imagine having fresh herbs within arm's reach while cooking. Flowers, petunias, fuchsias, nasturtiums, and marigolds add a splash of color and can brighten up any space. Their vibrant blooms can transform a dull wall into a lively garden. Vegetables. Cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and lettuce are great choices for vertical gardens. They not only provide fresh produce, but also add greenery and interest. Succulents. Echeveria, sedum, crassula, and haworthia are perfect for creating a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant vertical garden. Their unique shapes and textures can add visual interest and depth. Next, let's explore some DIY vertical garden structures that you can easily create at home. Wall planters. Wall-mounted planters are perfect for transforming blank walls into lush vertical gardens. You can use individual pots, hanging planters, or modular wall-mounted systems to create a custom arrangement that fits your space and style. Imagine a wall filled with a variety of plants, creating a living tapestry of colors and textures. Trellises and Arbors. Trellises and arbors are ideal for climbing plants. They can be attached to walls or stand alone to create a green screen. Materials like wood, metal, or bamboo add a rustic touch. Picture a trellis covered in vibrant climbing roses or a lush ivy, adding a touch of elegance and charm to your outdoor space. Hanging gardens. Hanging gardens involve suspending plants in pots or other containers. Macrame hangers, tiered hanging systems, or even repurposed items like old gutters can be used to create these floating gardens. Visualize a variety of plants hanging at different heights, creating a multi-dimensional garden that draws the eye upwards. Pallet Gardens. Pallet gardens are an excellent DIY project. Repurpose old wooden pallets by adding landscape fabric and filling them with soil and plants. They can be leaned against a wall or hung up for a rustic vertical garden. Imagine a pallet garden filled with herbs, flowers, or succulents, adding a touch of rustic charm to your space. Maintaining a vertical garden requires some attention, but can be manageable with these tips. Watering. Ensure even watering. Drip irrigation systems can be very effective. They deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste and ensuring your plants stay hydrated. Fertilizing. Use slow-release fertilizers to provide consistent nutrients. This helps promote healthy growth and ensures your plants get the nourishment they need over time. Pruning. Regularly prune to manage growth and encourage healthy plants. This keeps your garden looking neat and prevents overcrowding. Pest control. Monitor for pests and treat promptly with eco-friendly solutions. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or spider mites and address any issues early to prevent damage. Segment 5. Vertical Garden Design Inspirations. Narrator. Here are some inspiring ideas to kickstart your vertical gardening project. Edible wall garden. Grow herbs and small vegetables on your kitchen wall for easy access while cooking. Imagine picking fresh basil or cherry tomatoes right from your wall garden. Succulent Wall Art. Create a living piece of art with different types of succulents arranged in a frame. This can be a beautiful and low-maintenance addition to any room or outdoor space. Flower tower. Stack pots or use tiered planters to create a vertical flower display on your balcony. Picture a tower of vibrant blooms, creating a stunning focal point that draws attention. Privacy screen. Use a vertical garden to create a green privacy screen for your patio or balcony. Imagine a lush wall of greenery, providing a sense of seclusion and peace in your outdoor space. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about vertical gardening. What materials can I use for a DIY vertical garden? You can use materials like wood, metal, plastic, fabric, or even repurposed items like pallets and gutters. Get creative and think outside the box. How often should I water my vertical garden? This depends on the plants and the type of structure you use. Generally, vertical gardens need more frequent watering, especially in hot weather. Drip irrigation systems are very effective for maintaining consistent moisture levels. Can I grow vegetables in a vertical garden? Absolutely. Many vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce thrive in vertical gardens. Just make sure they get enough sunlight and proper care. What are the best plants for low-light vertical gardens? Plants like pothos, ferns, and certain types of succulents do well in low-light conditions. Choose plants that are suited to the light levels in your space for the best results. Vertical gardening is a versatile and innovative way to make the most of small spaces. By choosing the right plants and structures, you can create a beautiful and functional garden that enhances your living area. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these vertical gardening ideas will inspire you to bring a touch of green to even the smallest of spaces. Ready to transform your space with a vertical garden? Share your vertical gardening projects with us on social media using #GardenWrld verticals and inspire others to go green. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and inspiration. See you next time on GardenWrld.